This is help with the decibel scale concept builder. You're going to do the apprentice and master levels. They're very, very similar. So it says the original sound has a decibel rating of 7, and the next sound, B, is 100 times more intense. If it's 100 times more intense, for every time you multiply by 10, you need to add 10 on the decibel scale. So since 100 is 10 times 10, we need to add 10 twice on the decibel scale. So the answer here would be 90. If it's 10 times more intense, that would mean that I would need to add 10 just one time, because every time you multiply by 10, you add 10 on the decibel scale. So I would add 10 one time, and my answer would be 70. Now, if it's 1/100th of the intensity, that means, first of all, it's going to be less intense, so I've got to go this way on my scale. And since it's 1/100th, every time you multiply by 10, you subtract 10 in this case on the decibel scale. So I would need to subtract 10 twice because 100 is 10 times 10. There's 2 10s involved with that. So this one would be 40. I took 60 minus 10 minus another 10. And finally, if it's 70 and it's 1,000 times more intense, 1,000 is 10 to the third. So I need to add 10 3 different times. So my answer to this one would be 100. And the master's level is going to be pretty much the same thing.